In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Acuity scheduling email in just about 5 minutes. If you've recently had a change of email or need to update your account's contact information for any reason, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have all the details you need to make this update smoothly and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your browser and head over to Acuity Scheduling. This is where all the magic begins. Once the page has loaded, your next action is to click on the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner, but could vary slightly depending on any updates to the site's design. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email address associated with your Acuity scheduling account. This step is crucial for gaining access to your account, so make sure to enter the correct email. Once you've done that, the next thing you'll do is click on Next to proceed. Following that, you'll have the option to continue with Google. This is particularly handy if your Acuity account is linked to a Google account, making for a seamless integration and easier access. Click on this option. At this point, you'll see a list of Google accounts that you're signed into or have used on this device. Select the Google account that's associated with your Acuity scheduling account. This leads you right into the heart of your account, where you can manage appointments, personal settings, and more. Now, to get to the section where you can change your email, navigate to the Calendar section. This might vary slightly in naming depending on updates or specific configurations of Acuity scheduling, but it's where you'll find your scheduled appointments. You might have a direct link, or you might find it easily identifiable on your dashboard. Once you're in the Calendar section, the next step is to locate the appointment or the section that allows you to access settings or preferences. Although this tutorial focuses on changing your email, usually these settings are nestled close to where your personal or business information is organized. After finding the suitable section, the next move is to click on your appointment or your account settings. Here you will see various details related to your appointment or account, but what we are interested in is the Edit option. Click on Edit to proceed with the changes you aim to make. Upon clicking Edit, you'll likely be faced with a number of fields that you can change, one of which is the email address field. Now, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Go ahead and change the email address to your new preferred email. Take a moment to double check the new email address for any typos or errors, as ensuring its accuracy is key to receiving future communication from Acuity scheduling without a hitch. Once you've updated your email address, the final step is to save these changes. Look for a Save button, which should be nearby. Click on it and voila, you've successfully changed your email address on Acuity scheduling. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Remember that changing your email address here might affect login procedures and how you receive notifications about appointments or updates from Acuity. So after changing your email, it's a good practice to log out and then try logging back in with your new email address to ensure everything is in working order. Also, consider updating this email change across any other platforms or services that use your Acuity scheduling information to keep your business running smoothly. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to change your email address in Acuity scheduling. It's a straightforward process, but crucial for keeping your account up to date and ensuring you don't miss out on any important notifications or appointments. Remember, keeping your account information current is a best practice for managing any online platform, and Acuity scheduling is no exception. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate and make the most of your online tools and services. Until next time, take care and happy scheduling.